I recently had a friend reach out to me. He had some old 110 film that he needed developed and scanned, and I agreed to help him out. So I looked up online to see if I could find a reel to help me with the developing process, and to my surprise, they're actually pretty hard to come across. But I did stumble on some instructions on how to convert a Paterson reel into a reel that can also accept 110 film. Our first step is going to be cutting one of these sides down to size. What we need to do is take this side of the reel and measure 10 millimeters. I'm doing this just by using some spike tape that I had laying around that is exactly 10 millimeters so that I know where to cut. After marking it, you're simply going to cut on the mark and then proceed to sand it down to a nice finish. Try to be careful because we are going to use the spare piece that we cut off to kind of turn into an end cap. Now the other part we're going to need to cut off is just this little notch right here, which acts as a stop guide when you're winding. So when you are winding your 110 film on, you're just going to have to keep that in mind. So once we've got that sanded down, like I said, we're going to use that spare piece so that it stays nice and snug. You may have to cut a little bit more off of it, but go ahead and just do that by eye until everything fits nicely. So now that we have the end cap on, you're good to go loading up your film just as you would any other film size. But like I said, keep in mind we did cut off the stop mark, so you'll just have to keep the same motion of only sliding a little on and then reversing. I know this is a very niche video, but my hope is that it will reach a few of you who need it.